guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and you must be spending your days with lot of enthusiasm and lot of fun, and there must be lot of celebration around because of the festive season is going on. So guys, during whole of the festive season you need to be very careful and very particular about your skincare routine and body care routine. You must be I hope you must be taking care of it. But guys, during the festivals, as you're spending a lot of money on your skincare, hair care and beauty care, today I have brought for you very nice combo of all those affordable products which you can have it, and I must say you must have those products so that you should have a proper care and protection during the winter season and during whole of the festivals. So I have designed the combo for you especially so that it should be a whole and soul care for not only for your skin but for whole of your body. And guys, let me tell you one thing which is very important, that all the products including in that combo are very affordable, very economical, and as you are spending a lot of money during the festivals, so it is not going to affect your wallet, guys. So not making you much awaited, let me introduce you with that combo. This is the combo which I have specially designed for you guys so that you cannot miss out any of your beauty regime or skincare regime. And this combo is very nice. All the products including in this combo, I have face wash and peel off mask and face mask and body lotion and gels and other things. So I want to introduce you with all these products one by one, including their prices. Guys, price is not very high. These are very, you must want to have all these products during the festivals and especially during the winter season also. But before I start telling you about these products one by one thing I want to share with you, that I have purchased all these products from Purple website. And on Purple, Diwali sale is going on, guys, and during this sale Purple is providing you the discount of 50%, guys. 50% is a huge discount. It's a big amount. If you are getting the deduction of 50% money on any of the product, then it is a big thing, guys. So I would tell you that you should must go on Purple website, visit there, and all these products which I am carrying here, you should must go there, watch it out and have it for your skincare and body care, guys. And it's a nice deal, so I would suggest that you should not miss it out. I have purchased, you should also go and purchase on Purple, and on 50% discount, guys. If you get a discount of 50%, that means you have a saving of large amount of money. So guys, first of all, I am having here Good Vibes body lotion, and it is lavender rich softening body lotion. And guys, this it is coming like this in a pump bottle is quite big. It is 500 ml weight, and as you can see here, 100 ml is free with this bottle if you are going to have this this much big size. And MRP is not very high. It is 419 rupees only, but as I have told you, you will get a discount of 50%. It is rich with the goodness of cocoa butter, vanilla and lavender extracts, and its fragrance is awesome. It's very soothing, very calming, and it is as a softening body lotion. So it will suddenly as you will apply, I can show you, it will suddenly nourish your skin and it will give you a softening effect to your skin, like other body lotions. I can show you, you can see, like other body lotions, it is not liquidy, it is not gluey, it is quite thick in consistency. You can see I have kept my hand right straight in front of you and it is not dripping out. You can see it's thick, its consistency is quite thick. You can have it for your hand care and foot care and body care. It's a good thing, and deal is quite good during this festival. Next I am having these two face washes, and these both these are from brand Alps Goodness, and one is rose face wash with mulberry, and another is charcoal face wash. So going to have this charcoal face wash, then it can deeply cleanse your skin and clears your clogged pores. Beside, if you will use this rose face wash, then it can balance your pH level of the skin and refreshes the skin, also moisturize the skin. So guys, both these are of awesome quality, and price is also very less. This rose face wash is of 99 rupees only. This guys, I'm sharing with you MRP, and this one charcoal face wash is of 130 rupees, but get it from Purple so that you can have a chance to avail the discount of 50%. Next product which I'm sharing here is of again it is of Good Vibes brand, but it is activated charcoal peel off mask. And guys, this it is also of very less price. MRP is 249. So during the festival, as you have to wear every time makeup and you have to face the environment, and during this Diwali festival, usually there is a lot of pollution in the environment. Of mask will help you deeply exfoliate and cleanse your skin, and also help to reduce the sebum from your skin pores. So guys, it's a good deal. I would suggest you to have this product also during the festivals. Next product which I am having for you is these three gels. Guys, during the festival you must be wearing lot of makeup and facing all the pollutants of the environment, as on Diwali crackers are very common. So you need to something very soothing and cooling for your skin, and for that I have three different type of gels. One is aloe vera gel, and another is watermelon gel. Next it is orange gel, and all these gels are from brand Good Vibes. And price, guys, price is really affordable and very economical, and definitely on Diwali you have to pay only 50% of the MRP of these products. So let me tell you quickly about these. First one, it is aloe vera gel. After removing your makeup, if you will use this aloe vera gel, then it can give your skin a cooling and soothing effect. And definitely beside this, it can maintain the water content of your skin. It can add lot of water in your skin. Next I am having watermelon gel, guys, and it is also very nice product, because watermelon is high in water content, so it can add a lot of water to your skin. Because after using the makeup, definitely skin become little dry and it needs to be hydrated with something good. So this is the perfect product. After removing the makeup, you should use this product. It is very nice and very new product, and I like it very much personally. Next I'm having orange gel. So orange gel, beside filling the water and hydration in your skin, it can give you a lightening and brightening effect also, so that with regular use your skin look few tone fairer. And these things are good to use during the festival, guys. And products I have told you earlier also, very affordable. Next products I am having here is face mask, and both these face masks are having a property of rose. And guys, this one is from Elf's Goodness, and this one is from Good Vibes. Both are very good, very fine product, and this one especially I like it very much. It is very cute and portable, compact. If you are going somewhere outside from your house and you want a proper care every time, you just do not miss out your skincare, then I would suggest you should have this product in your purse, so that whenever you want, you can have a protection and care of a rose face mask. It will suddenly, after one use, it will suddenly moisturize your skin. It can balance the pH level of your skin, so that you cannot have any acne problem during the festival especially, guys. And beside that, it can soothe your skin, hydrate your skin. And guys, its price is also very less, very less. It is only of MRP 99, and go get it from Purple website, so that you can have to pay only 50% of its MRP. So get this product, it's an amazing product. its color is also very nice, like pink shade. From inside also it is pink in color. After that, I'm having Good Vibes Hydrating Face Mask. As its name mentioned, it is an hydrating face mask, so it will hydrate your skin definitely a lot. And these type of products, hydrating face mask, can somehow it can reduce the effect of fine lines and wrinkles from your face also. So if you can use this product, then definitely it beside giving you other skincare benefits, it will give you anti-aging benefit also. And this face mask is coming in a 100-gram box, and it's a good quantity, but don't worry, it's very economical. So as this one is also with the goodness of rose, so it can give you anti-aging effect, and beside this it will moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, and deeply hydrate your skin, and it will gently cleanse and exfoliate your skin also. So guys, during this festival I would suggest you to have this product also, and it is available on Purplle on very affordable price. This product I am having in my hand is actually a sleeping mask, so you can wear it for whole of the night, and it is from brand Good Vibes, enriched with the goodness of rose and geranium. Especially guys, you must be thinking okay, why I am sharing all those most of the products from which are having the property of rose, because I personally like all those products which having the goodness of rose, because rose is very gentle, very soothing on all type of skin, and it doesn't have any bad effect on any type of skin. So guys, you can use it without any fear. And because it is enriched with the rose, so it is having, as I have told you, it is having anti-aging effect also. So if you will use it on regular basis, then it will give you it will reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and beside that it will deeply nourish your skin, hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin every morning when you will wake up. Then you will get a new skin, guys, believe me. And it is so gentle that you can even use it on everyday basis, so it will not give you any harmful effect on your skin. So guys, this product is also of awesome quality, and I'm using it almost every day, and I like it very much. I am in love with it. So guys, all these products which I've shared with you are of great utility, and during the festivals, must say that you are not going to be disappointed from any of these products which I have shared with you today. And go on Purplle, get these products on huge discount. 50% guys is a big amount. If you have to pay 50% less on any product, then it's a big thing. So guys, if you like my video, then give me one thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching my video till then. Thanks, bye bye.